What if you could start making real money with AI today, even if you have no experience? Stay until the end for a clever way to turn AI mistakes into profit. First, you can earn money by making short research reports using AI tools like Perplexity.ai or ChatGPT. Many parents, teachers, and business owners need quick summaries on topics like vitamins or productivity apps. Format your findings in Canva or Google Docs and sell them online for $5 to $25. This service is easy to start and does not require special skills. You just need to create a free account on an AI tool and set up a profile on sites like Fiverr or Etsy. You can offer different topics and adjust your price based on how fast or detailed your reports are. Recommendation number 2. Try selling digital products that are personalized with AI, like journals or planners. Use ChatGPT or Jasper.ai to create custom content based on what your buyers want, such as daily affirmations or fitness logs. Format your product in Canva and sell it on Etsy or Gumroad without needing design experience. Ask your customers a few questions to make each product unique. AI can quickly write content that matches their answers, making your service fast and personal. And number 3, become an AI-powered video assistant for YouTubers or coaches who need help making content. Use Descript to edit audio, add subtitles, or clean up recordings quickly. ChatGPT can help you write scripts or outlines, and Canva can help you make thumbnails or social posts. You do not need to be a video expert to get started. Just look at Gumroad. Many small creators want help turning their ideas into finished videos, and AI tools make the process much faster. List your services on Upwork or Freelancer, or message creators directly to offer your help. Speed is important, so use AI to deliver drafts in hours instead of days. The last tip will show you how to earn money by helping people fix AI mistakes in their content. And now number 4. Offer a service to clean up and fix AI-generated writing. Use tools like Grammarly or Quillbot to proofread and improve articles, essays, or blog posts made by AI. Promote yourself as a human layer who checks and corrects AI work for students, writers, or businesses. You can use ChatGPT to help rewrite awkward sentences or fix grammar mistakes. Organize and deliver the improved content using Google Docs or Notion. People will pay $10 to $30 for this service because they want their writing to sound clear and professional. The final tip will show you how to turn AI errors into a smart side hustle. Finally, start an AI audit service where you help people fix bad results from AI tools. For $10 to $50, review and improve things like resumes, bios, or product listings that were made by AI. Ask people to send you their AI-created text, then use ChatGPT or Gemini to rewrite and improve it. By helping others get better results from AI, you turn a common problem into a business opportunity. Set up a Google form for easy submissions and promise to deliver better results within 24 hours. Most people do not know how to get the best answers from AI, so your service adds real value. This is not just about fixing mistakes. It is about teaching people how to use AI more effectively. If you learned something new, comment below. Make sure to click on this playlist to watch the rest of the YouTube series for more tips and tricks. Thanks.